According to Periodic Labour Survey 2021 by Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, nearly 29% of India's population is migrating. That's around 40 crore people. Migration is driven by various reasons, socio-economic and cultural. For men, it's mostly for employment and livelihood. For women, it's mostly marriage. Cities need to prepare for the migration inflows for better infrastructure, whereas for policymakers, it's important to understand the migration for better planning of housing, transport, jobs, and welfare. To explore more about this, we have a relevant data set available on data.gov.in. But here is the problem. Downloading CSVs manually, merging them and cleansing is a time-consuming task and prone to human error. How will I tackle this issue? This is where ArcGIS Data Interoperability Extensions ETL capability can make a difference. Here, I have automated the entire process by directly connecting the API to this Python caller and assigning unique IDs and directly downloading it in GIS format. So here we have the GIS ready data. How will I bring out relationship hidden within this data? So let's explore the downloaded data set. Using the automation, I have downloaded. Using the automation, do you know how much records I have processed? It was around 10 million records. So one of the data sets is here. Hidden within this table, you can see there are valuable information, both spatial and non-spatial. But how will I bring out relationship that is hidden within this data? A connection that is going to tell more of a story. This is where ArcGIS Knowledge Graph can help us. But how do we do this? This is where we have to transform our data into entities and relationship. Here, my entities are origin and destination of the migrants, and relationship type is skilled and unskilled laborers. Let us see how the patterns are emerging within Lakshadweep sample data. Here, you can see from 5 different states, people are migrating to Lakshadweep, and you can also see the relationship types as skilled and unskilled. Let us see another example using Kerala data. So here, I want to know from which state migrants are more coming to Kerala. Here, I would like to take ArcGIS Pro AI Assistant's help. So, let me ask a question to AI Assistant using this graph query. So here, I'm asking, which origin has more migrants? Since this data is already connected to Kerala, there is no need of mentioning Kerala in the query. So this assistant will return a graph query where you can directly connect it to the investigation. So this I am directly adding to the investigation. And here you are getting the answer. West Bengal contributes more migrants to Kerala, followed by Assam and Tamil Nadu. Let me show this data in a different layout. As you can see, these are the relationships. We can also select this and expand the relationship. By analyzing and visualizing the relationship hidden within the data, you can make more insights and informed decision. As ArcGIS Knowledge Server is connected to portal, you can use the services directly to your web applications. So here, we got a layout, but let me show you in a map for a better understanding of how migrants are moving to Kerala. So this is how you can visualize for more insights. By adding more cartography to this map, I could achieve something like this, where policymakers can easily understand how the migration flow is to Kerala. I have done this analysis for 4 different states. Let me show the results. So, for Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Kerala, these are the migration flows by the migrants. So similarly, we can extend the analysis to all different states in our country that will support One Nation, One Ration Card initiative, and this can be also applied to study spending patterns and logistics. Thank you.